Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, most gracious, the most merciful. My dear friends, sisters, brothers, we are going to talk about Prophet Ismail. According to some sources, Ismail was born in 18 BC in present-day Palestine. Hajra also knew that thus was getting old and may not be able to provide Abraham with a child. Hajra, known as a Hajar in the Hebrew Bible, was the wife of the patriarch and Islamic prophet Abraham and the mother of Islam. She is a revered woman in the Islamic faith. Muslim exegesis states that Sarah asked Abraham to marry her Egyptian handmaid Hajar because she herself was barren. Hagar, Hajra soon before Ishmael, who was the first son of Abraham. Abraham's concubine, the mother of his son Ishmael, purchased in Egypt. She served as a maid to Abraham's childless wife Sarah, who gave her Abraham to convince and her heir. Ishmael, recognized, regarded as a prophet and messenger and the ancestor, the Islamic in Islam. He is the son of Ibrahim, born to Hajra. Ismail too is also associated with Mecca and the construction of the Kaaba. Ismail is considered the ancestor to Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Ismail was the raiser of the Holy Kaaba and the father of the earth. From a very young age, Prophet Ismail devoted his life to preaching Islam and fulfilling the commandments of Allah Almighty. Hajra, a woman with no power or status, is the first person in spirituals to be visited by an angel and the only person in spiritual give God a name, Eroi, the God who sees me in the midst of her pain and struggle. Hagar receives God's blessing and promises. Prophet Ismail died in the age of 130 or 137 years in the Makkah, Saudi Arabia. He is buried alongside the grave of his mother, Hajra, in Masjid al-Haram. So friends, this was Prophet Ismail, son of Abraham, father of the nation. Allah Hafiz.